Let's try to record some of Farhan's piano into my computer. There's two possible ways to do it. So let's try the first way, which is I'm going to record him directly into my computer. So the first thing I've got to do is I've got to create an audio track. So I'm going to create an empty audio track. And in this audio track, I'm going to call it record piano. I've got to take the audio in from the receiver track here. So the one that has the listen to receiver plugin, it's going to take its input into this audio channel here. So I can set the monitor to off. Farhan, can you keep playing on your computer for me, please? I have to turn the record arm on, and we see we get signal from his piano. Now, if I turn the monitor to auto or in, we're getting the signal double. So you can just turn the monitor to off so you don't have to get it twice. Okay, so now I'm going to take this clip here and I'm going to bring it into the arrangement view. Bring it all the way here. And let's get a recording of Farhan into my computer. Actually, I want to turn my click track volume down. So I'm just going to turn the click track volume down. Okay, so let's try recording. I'm going to record, and Farhan, you can play whenever you're ready. Here we go. Great, thank you very much. That was very beautiful. Okay, so now this is the recording that I just received of Farhan. Let's have a listen. I'm just going to solo this. Now, you're not going to get absolutely perfect zero latency so the thing that you can do to correct it is just to move the audio to wherever it needs to start. And the other option is if Farhan had a beat playing on his track, then it's easier to kind of cut it into the place that you want it to be at. Let's try that option where, Farhan, we're going to have you record something with a beat. So could you add the beat sample that I've given you? Yep, add it onto the separate audio track. And now can you switch to your arrangement view? So let me show you a cool trick you can do with Zoom. I can take control of his computer here with this option here, request remote control. And then I'm going to hold that and press tab. And I'm going to place that down here for him. So the loop tempo is actually 90 BPM. So I'm going to fix that. And then I'm going to fix it on the master here. Now the loop should work fine. Okay, great. So I'm going to stop controlling. Okay, I'm going to record Farhan again, and this time it's going to be recording him playing the beat and the piano from his computer. After the click track goes to 4, can you just press play and you can start playing? here we go. Now I'm gonna mute my mic. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Let's have a listen back to that. Awesome. So that's me recording him with the beat. Okay, so what if I wanted him to play that beat but only record the piano? So Farhan, what you can do is go to your master channel. Okay, and let's look for that plugin. So press Shift Tab. And now you're going to drag the plugin and put it out to the piano track, please. Could you just play something? I just want to double check you have signal coming through. Yeah, lovely. So your signal's coming through. I'm going to press record, and then after you hear the count of 4, you can press play and start recording whenever you're ready. Okay, great. Thank you very much. So just to check from your side, Farhan, just now we couldn't hear the beat, but were you hearing the beat on your side? Yeah, okay, great. So if you noticed, we had here some sort of audio dropout. So let's have a listen to this performance. And we had some glitching. Okay, so I have a couple of general tips about reducing the amount of glitch and audio dropouts that you get. One of them is playing around with the buffer size. If you go to very low levels of buffer size, you're likely to have more crackles, more glitch. So both of us have actually set our buffer size to 512 samples. It's going to be different for everybody's computer. So this is one of the first places to check and to do experiments if you're experiencing dropouts and crackles. Another thing is internet speed makes a big difference. So I recommend getting an Ethernet cable. It's fairly cheap over here in Singapore. It costs only about $20 to get like a 20-meter Ethernet cable, and you can connect that directly from your modem straight to your computer, and you get a super good internet speed. And try not to run any applications or do any kind of movements while you're doing the recording process. So just try not to do any zooming, or try to have as few programs as possible running on both your side and the other person's side. Okay, so thank you very much, Farhan, for that beautiful performance. How was the playing experience for you from your side?
It was quite smooth for me. I didn't face any problems. Yep.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your wonderful help, brother.